Hey everyone, Roman and I are making
churros,
oven-baked churros. So my recipe's on my website, cookwiththeresa.com, so check that out. We're just gonna show you the end of it right now really quickly. So this is our dough that we've made, and we're gonna put it in the pastry bag. Go ahead, Roman, pull down the sides. We love our pastry bag stand because then you can use 2 hands to fill the pastry bag, which is great. And we have doing this as a second batch, so that's why. We've got, which tip did we put in here?
The largest
star tip. Okay, that's right. Okay, so we're putting the dough in the pastry bag, and then we're going to make, I have a lot of air in there I want to get out. So now we're going to make our churros. And so you can see how this works out well. Can you see good on the video, Steven?
Yes.
Okay, so you want these to be pretty thick. You don't want them to be too thin. And so about 3 inches in length you can pick. And so you can see how easy that is to do. Roman, I'm gonna let you take over. Well, then I move on to the next step. You got that? So remember, hold the top, you know that. So then once they're all ready to go, you've shaped them on the bond mat, then you're gonna do melted butter, which we did in the mini cake mold, and you're gonna brush the churro with some melted butter. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna put those in the oven. And so then, once they have cooked at 400 degrees for about 22 to 25 minutes, then they're gonna look like these. These just came out. I'm gonna just scooch over here a little bit, Roman, so we can, get this hot baking sheet. So these are the churros that just came out of the oven, so they're really hot. And so now when they're hot, you're gonna take them and you're gonna dip them in the cinnamon sugar mixture and that we've got here. So you're just gonna take and put, I like to do about 3 at a time. And then you're gonna toss them, use our versatile tongs to kind of toss them around in the sugar. And then Austin, you wanna bring that, those churros over here, and we'll put these on that tray. We've already got some that we made earlier to show you guys. Go ahead, Austin, come in here. Don't be afraid of the camera. Middle school work, he wasn't planning on being on the video. But you can see how beautiful those work, and we just keep doing that, and then we've got these beautiful, delicious churros for Cinco de Mayo. So, enjoy.